Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119. So we have another Ameritron Al-811 here. I'll go over everything it needs, and anything I miss I'll cover at the end. So the screw only catches a couple threads, so it actually damaged the plate choke. Broke those two threads. I'll re-glue the ceramic part that broke off, just a sliver back to the bottom, and then put a longer screw in, and I can save it. I don't have to change it. It does need a new plate blocker. These straps are frayed pretty bad, so I'll replace those. It does not have the diodes for the bias circuit. I will add those. It does not look like it has the metal oxide varistors, but I will, if it does, I'll rip those out. I'm going to add gas discharge tubes to the base of the socket. Change out these old resistors, put in new ones. They're still good, so if you catch them before one goes bad, like I've said a whole bunch of times, you can save the caps. Usually the only time I ever see a cap fail is if a resistor opens up. So check the meter protection diode, do the bias modification over here. These new SO239 connectors. Has a little more grip, and has more grip. See how much harder it is to get that one in and out than it is this one, just slips in and out. So I'll swap both of those. Do the 10 meter modification, and we're gonna get to work. So stay tuned. See you guys soon. Okay, so I'm back with the completed Ameritron Al-811. I'll show you what I did. Here are the old SO239 connectors, the old bleeder / equalization resistors, the old straps. You can see the new resistors installed, did the bias modification, meter protection diode was okay, changed the plate blocking cap, see the new straps. I resecured the loose windings on the plate choke with super glue, put the longer screw in the base of the plate choke, it is now good. Added gas discharge tubes at the base of the socket there, compressed the clips in the sockets, cleaned the band switch and input rotary switch with deoxit gold, cleaned the bias / TR relay with deoxit gold, the contacts, you can see the new SO239s, I get those from Max Gain Systems, nice people there. Added the string of diodes for the bias circuit. Now the tubes will run cooler, won't pull as much static plate current, be more stable. So this thing is good to go. Pentalabs 572s, awesome company, awesome customer service. So if you need an amplifier repaired, feel free to give me a call. 203-892-4119. That's 203-892-4119. 73. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'd appreciate it.